In the last couple of months, I've met hundreds of digital marketing agency owners. Some of them went from 0 to 5 or 6 figures per month in less time than it takes to complete an NBA season, while others were still stuck at $5,000 per month. When I was talking with the ones stuck at 5K per month, I noticed that they all had one thing in common. They were not stupid, they were actually more skilled than the rich agency guys. And this is exactly the problem. They were just too good. You see, when you're running a digital marketing agency, your goal is to deliver a top-notch service. If you're really good at service delivering, you will put all your energy in making your clients happy, which is good. But when it's time to scale your business, you're not able to delegate because you're so good at service delivery that you can't accept to hire someone who will perform a little bit lower than yourself. That is the first problem you have, not delegating early on. The second problem is that you believe because you're so good at what you do that clients will come to yourself magically. Spoiler, they're not. Of course, you might go to 10K, 20K, 30K per month with word of mouth, but you won't scale to multiple 6 figures per month. So the solution to fix that is to go on the trenches, guys. Stop geeking around to improve your skills and get yourself out there. The fastest growing digital marketing agencies right now are all mega active on LinkedIn. Let me show you how to do it. Step 1 is to build yourself a LinkedIn profile and optimize it for conversions. Think of it as a landing page and add call to actions to book a discovery call with you. Step 2 is to start posting every day about what you do on LinkedIn. If you have a good service delivery, you might already have results to showcase to people. Just post results you got for clients and times to times tell your story, like how you built your agency, what drives you, etc. Step 3 is to identify on LinkedIn Sales Navigator your 100 dream customers, and for 1 month, you'll go after them like a maniac. Don't use LinkedIn automated tools, do things manually, be relevant, craft personalized messages, and if you do all of that, it's impossible not to get clients. This is exactly what happened to Michel Liban from Cold IQ, who went from 0 to $3 million a year in less than 2 years for his agency. The guy was like you. He was stuck at $5,000 per month. Then he solved problem number 1, which is to hire an assistant for his service delivery. Then he solved problem number 2. He started to be active on LinkedIn. For the first 60 days, nothing happened. Crickets. And on day 61, when he finally realized that he should plug his business more shamelessly, he got 17 qualified meetings booked in 1 day. And the week after that, he was magically at $17,000 per month. And then he repeated the operation. To solve problem number 1, he hired new people. He removed himself completely from service delivery. Then he solved problem number 2 one more time. He got his agency out there. He posted on LinkedIn, but this time he also had his team post on LinkedIn. He reached out to people and the agency kept growing and growing and growing. And stories like this, I have plenty, like Jeremy, Yanni, Steven, Theo, Xavier, and so many others. If you have any questions on how to grow your digital marketing agency, drop a comment below and I will help you during a 15-minute call. I'm not here to sell you a course or some other crazy shit. I'm running a sales CRM for people who have fast-growing businesses like the guys mentioned in this video. So the goal of this YouTube channel is to help you grow your business for free. So subscribe to this YouTube channel for more content like this. Now you can check out this video from Steven to check out how he uses LinkedIn to generate more leads for his business.